Hi YouTube, we're going to show you how to be a nerd. Observe.
I'm doing a Rubik's Cube.
Take a breath, reflect on what we've been through. Or am I just going crazy cause I miss yes? Was that you? Look just like you.
So I messed up.
Strange things my imagination might do. Take a breath, reflect on what we've been through. Or am I just going crazy cause I miss you? I'm shook, I know. I pushed when I should have pulled. Took it all back if I could. I put that on my soul. And I would make a top-notch good listener if you could block off a little time. I'd give it here. Since we went our separate paths, I hit a couple of snags that remind me of the past.
Workout for the day.
I'm having a blast, but damned if I ain't afraid of how long it's gonna last. Sitting here wishing we could kick it. Give me your opinions. I do miss the criticisms. I didn't mean to be distant. Make a visit. I wait up and keep the coffee brewing in the kitchen.
I don't know what song I'm singing.
Hold on, dingus.
It doesn't matter, this is more than love. And maybe if I'm
roll now.
see you out the corner of yesterday. Was that you? Look just like you. Strange things my imagination might do. Take a breath, reflect on what
my hands are probably a blur right now. So you guys are getting the idea. This is a tutorial. How to solve a Rubik's Cube.
Here's how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Step 1.
Solve it. Even if we made a legitimate tutorial, I wouldn't know what to say. It's like, hey, douches, get muscle memory and do it. You're done.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy, a pal. I fucking suck at pressing stop.